Welcome back. Today we are making these delicious mini chocolate cupcakes. We're going to start off by making the batter by adding 1/4 cup of buttermilk and 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips into a heat-proof bowl. We're going to heat that in the microwave for about 30 seconds or over a double boiler until the chocolate is fully melted. Then we're going to add in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. We're going to give that a quick stir together just until the ingredients are combined and the batter should be pretty thick. Then we're going to add in 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1/4 teaspoon vinegar, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to mix this together one more time until the batter is nice and smooth, and then we're going to pour it into our prepared mini cupcake pan. You want to fill your liners about 3/4 of the way full, and this recipe makes about 15 miniature cupcakes. While the cupcakes bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 9 to 10 minutes, we're going to work on our chocolate buttercream. I've added 1/4 cup of salted butter and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract into a medium-sized bowl. Once they're mixed together, I'm going to slowly add in 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 2 tablespoons of heavy cream or milk. You want to stir this together until it's nice and smooth, and then it's time to add in our melted chocolate. It's important that you melt your chocolate and you give it a little bit of time to cool so that it doesn't just melt that butter once it's added to your frosting. I melted 1/4 cup of dark chocolate and stirred the frosting until it was really nice and smooth. This frosting really is like half chocolate, half buttercream. I used a Wilton 1M tip to frost my cupcakes, but you can use whatever your favorite frosting tip is or whatever you have on hand. I also added some fun nonpareil sprinkles just to add a little pop of color. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys again soon.